Ooh, we've got ourselves a calculator problem. Mathematicians at a water purification company have created a function that models the cost C of removing P% of the impurifications from 1,000 gallons of water. The function is gross. Evaluate and interpret P, or the limit, as P approaches 100 from the left of CFP in the context of this problem. So clearly we're going to want to use a calculator for this one. So I'm going to take a step aside and take a look at what the calculator has to look like. Okay, let's graph this gross, terrible problem. Let's hit y equals negative. Don't make the mistake of typing out minus sign. They mean different things according to TI. 0.1 x squared plus 32 x plus 1043, close your parentheses, and divide that by parentheses x minus 100. Now, we care about what happens when x approaches 100. So if I graph it, I'm not going to see at all what I need to see because we only go out to 10. So let's do this. Since I care so much about what happens at 100, let's make a window going from 50, that's 500, 50 to 150, just for funsies. Okay, this is rational, so I kind of probably need to give myself a nice big window. And that didn't seem to do it. So let's zoom out. Zoom 3. Enter. No. So let's zoom out again. Zoom 3. There we go. All right, so there's 100 right there. See how it's blinking 100? What the question is asking us is the limit as P approaches 100 with a little negative symbol. That means from the left side. So if I go from the left side, knowing very well that I have a vertical asymptote at 100, from the left, I shoot up right to 100. So that's the graphical interpretation of what this problem is. So let's go back to the actual question and see if we can answer it. All right, so according to the picture that we got, we have this rational looking thing where magic happens at 100, which makes sense because at 100, bad news happens. We care about what's happening coming from the left side. So coming from the left side, we go up to positive infinity. So looking at all of our options here, no, no, yes, no, and here's why. The company will pay more as they remove more impurifications and will never remove 100%, which makes sense. You're never going to remove 100%. So that's what we get for this one. Kind of a tricky problem, very strange indeed, but we did it.